Welcome to our channel, How Stuffs Work. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of many trucks, trains, and ships to understand the powerful and efficient diesel engine. Have you ever wondered what makes that distinct rumbling sound and why it is so different from a regular car engine? Stick around, and we'll uncover all the secrets. So, what's the big idea behind a diesel engine? Unlike its gasoline counterpart that uses a spark plug to ignite the fuel, a diesel engine uses the sheer heat of compressed air. Imagine squeezing air so tightly that it becomes hot enough to light fuel on fire all by itself. That's the magic of diesel power, a process called compression ignition. This simple yet powerful principle is what makes diesel engines so robust and fuel efficient. To understand how it works, let's look at its main components. First, we have the cylinder, which is the chamber where all the action happens. Inside the cylinder moves the piston, a crucial part that travels up and down. The piston is connected to the crankshaft via a connecting rod. As the piston moves, it turns the crankshaft, which ultimately powers the vehicle's wheels. At the top of the cylinder, you'll find intake and exhaust valves, which act like doors, letting air in and pushing exhaust out. And finally, the fuel injector, a high-tech nozzle that sprays a fine mist of diesel fuel into the cylinder at just the right moment. Now, let's walk through the four-stroke cycle that makes the engine run. It's a continuous dance of intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust. First up is the intake stroke. The piston moves down inside the cylinder, and the intake valve opens. This creates a vacuum that sucks fresh air into the cylinder, filling it up completely. The exhaust valve remains closed during this phase. Next comes the compression stroke. The intake valve closes, and the piston travels back up the cylinder. This action squeezes the trapped air into a much smaller space. As the air is compressed, its pressure and temperature rise dramatically, reaching over 500 degrees Celsius. The air is now extremely hot, primed and ready for the next step. The third and most exciting stroke is combustion, also known as the power stroke. At the precise moment the piston reaches the top of its travel, the fuel injector sprays a fine mist of diesel fuel into the superhot compressed air. The intense heat instantly ignites the fuel, causing a powerful explosion. This explosion forces the piston down with immense force. This is the stroke that generates the power to move the vehicle. Finally, we have the exhaust stroke. After the power stroke, the piston moves back up the cylinder one more time. This time, the exhaust valve opens, pushing the burnt gases and byproducts of combustion out of the cylinder and into the exhaust system. Once the piston reaches the top, the exhaust valve closes, the intake valve opens, and the entire four-stroke cycle starts all over again, hundreds or even thousands of times per minute. So, how does this compare to a petrol engine, the kind you find in most cars? The main difference is the ignition method. Petrol engines use spark plugs to ignite a pre-mixed blend of air and fuel. Diesel engines, as we've learned, use compression ignition. This fundamental difference leads to several other distinctions. Diesel engines typically have a higher compression ratio, which makes them more efficient and gives them more torque, or pulling power. That's why they're perfect for heavy-duty jobs. Petrol engines, on the other hand, are generally lighter, quieter, and can operate at higher speeds. To sum it all up, the diesel engine is a marvel of engineering that harnesses the power of compressed air to create motion. It starts by pulling in air, compresses it until it's incredibly hot, injects fuel to create a powerful explosion, and then pushes out the exhaust. This simple four-stroke cycle of intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust is what gives diesel engines their signature power and efficiency. They might be a bit louder and heavier than their petrol cousins, but for tasks that require serious muscle, the diesel engine is still the undisputed king of the road, rails, and sea. Thanks for watching our deep dive into how diesel engines work. We hope you found it insightful. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how everyday things operate, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to How Stuffs Work. See you in the next one.